So here is a quick guide on how to clone your voice using AI. We will be using 11 Labs, one of the most advanced AI voice cloning tools available. Click on my link below to get a discount on 11 Labs. Once you've clicked the link, you'll be brought to this page. This is what you will see after logging in. On the left side, you will get to see all of these options. Let's click on Voices. So once you're here, you can click on the plus icon and you will get this pop-up. From here, you can see options like voice design, instant voice clone, voice remixing, voice library. For this video, we will select instant voice clone. After that, you'll be taken to this page. Here, you can record audio or upload an audio file from your device. So I'll just go ahead and upload an audio. And as you can see, it says continue to add recordings for a better clone. So make sure to add multiple audio files of the same voice in order to get the best result. And once you're done adding, just click on Next. After that, you'll be taken to this page right here. Over here, you can put in a name for your voice. So just type in the name that you want in the name section. Then for labels, you can add different labels like language. And then for the value, just add your desired value. This way, you can add different labels for your voices. Then you can put in a description if you want. Then take the box and click on Preview Voice. Writing flows like a river, swimming glides like a... And as you can see, this voice sounds a lot like mine. And this is just based on one reference audio recording. Once done, click on Next. And on this section, you can use any of these options to test it out. Or just click on Skip. After that, if you go over to My Voices in the Voices section, you'll be able to view the voice that you've just created, which is this one right here. This way, you can easily clone any voice using 11 Labs. And that is exactly how to clone voice with AI 11 Labs.